Simplicity Broadmoor, 16 horse, 1694010 model number. I'm going to replace the drive belt pulleys. This one still spins nice and good, but a little noisy. This one was noisy before, but I squirted some oil in it. And I don't know, just thought I would do it. There's the two new ones. I'll get you part numbers after I get them in. As you can see, my setup here, not really recommended, but makes it easier. Do this by myself. Lift it up, slide the ladder underneath. Here's the drive belt, which I already replaced. And you can see the two studs here. Check my phone for orientation. Big one goes in front. Little one goes behind it. Here's what I pulled off. Washer nut, both lock nuts, nylock, I should say. Spacer always goes up to space away. And a flat pulley means it's always going to be on the back side of a V-belt. V-pulley means that it's going to be on the inside of a V-belt, like this, in case you didn't know. Kind of fun doing one-handed. Look at that. I'm doing this with the brake on, or I should say brake on, so that it relieves the tension of the V-belt. Before you tighten this up, you want to slide your belt in there, because once you tighten this up, you can't get this belt up in there. Same thing with this pulley. Same thing here, 3/16. Nut. Get it started. Hopefully manipulate, but not really agreeing with me. Pull that back off. We'll do it like this first. Then slide her up. Oh, 3/16 nut and bolt takes a 9/16 wrench. This one here seems like it's a carriage bolt, so you don't have to get a wrench on it. The other one is also a carriage bolt. Should be good.